It's raining, and we're gonna try and start a fire.
Yeah.
Sound like fun? Let's hope it is. Woohoo! Hey guys, welcome back to Child Survivor. I'm Jerry, and that is Owen. Owen, wake up, bud. Owen, wakey, wakey. Here we're gonna cut this a chunk off. We're going to use this bag to collect the sawdust for starting the fire, okay? So, what do you think, Owen? Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
Good plan? And we're going to use our pruning saw to cut this out. So, we're going to get Owen to give it a go, and hope you enjoy. Now we have plenty of dry sawdust. Now we got to get some branches to make shavings. Okay guys, so we got our stick. And Owen's got the knife. Okay Owen, I want you to open it up carefully. Remember, knife safety. Oh, almost. There you go. Nope, there you go. Just about. Okay, so what do we remember about this project? Yes, but we're going to tuck this in closer to ourselves, hold this here, and we're not going to worry about the knots this time. We're shaving off, so we have shavings, wood shavings, on here. So, we're going to time-lapse this too. Sweet time-lapse.
Awesome.
Well, I think that's enough shavings. Owen discovered that it's harder than it looks. And so now we got our shavings, we got our sawdust, and we have sap. Now we need kindling. Hey guys, so here's our block of wood that we're going to chop up with this axe. And remember, when you're chopping up wood, you got to be very careful. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Why is that? So we don't what?
Get hurt.
Cut ourselves. By the way, guys, we have sweaters, shirts, and hats on, and we're going to put a link down below. And check it out, man. It's really cool. One of our little phrases that we're going to start saying now is, don't get lost. It's awkward. Anyway, I hope you like it. Check it out. We're going to just do a quick little time-lapsey deal. Thank you, by the way, to James. He's the fellow that recommended the time lapses. We appreciate it. It certainly makes this more interesting. All right, here we go. So guys, as you can see, we've chopped up a bunch of kindling, and if you notice, it's nice and dry on the inside. Nice and dry. Look at that. Isn't that beauty? All right, look at this guy. He's just a lumberjack now, or a logger. All right, so let's get the show on the road. So we got our sawdust as a base. We got our striking rod. We got our wood shavings. We have our kindling. We have blocks of wood, and in our parts we also have birch bark, which has a natural oil in it that helps start fires. So we're actually going to use that as well. And we have our resin that Eve has gone out and got for us. Also, a little shout out to Darcy one of our neighbors. He gave us some of these camping mats. We cut them up. They're great for sitting on when it rains, so you don't get wet and dirty.
Like now.
Yeah. So we got our sawdust in there. We're going to get our shavings and we're going to go around the sawdust because we want the sawdust to catch. Right? Like a little party in there. Hee hee hee. All right. Okay. Here's our kindling. We don't want to put that on right away.
That's for later.
That is for later. Okay, we're going to get some of our resin in here, from here, and we're going to put it on there. Okay. Nice and crystallized. Look at that stuff. See that? That's good stuff. Okay, ready to demonstrate? Give it a good spark. Hard. All right, this is probably going to take a minute, so we're going to go in a time lapse. You ready? Here we go. Time lapse. Yay, we finally have fire. Woohoo. Now let's see if we can get it to build up. Hey guys, yeah, so we got the fire started. Please write in the comments below if you have any ideas for us to do, what we should do for our next video. We're coming to a close on our pack stuff. Like, hit subscribe, and hit that bell for notification.